boy, let's see what's in this box that just arrived today. Oh boy. Ooh. I make that outer sleeve really tight. There we go. There's always some kind of little toy or something in every mutable module. Comes with a toy and a sticker. Ooh. A multi-page quick start guide that's actually stapled together. All the other ones I've seen have just been sort of a multi-fold card. This is an actual booklet. Nice. And there is the module itself. Pretty. And there's the power cord, power cable. Okay. My case. Let's get this out of the way. I might need these. I've got a couple of other modular screws, slightly longer. We'll see what screws will work in here. Okay. What have I got going on in here? Not sure if I can reach that. I might be able to. I might have to take a module out in order to give myself clearance. You know, one thing I am going to do is unplug this. Make sure it is okay. It's labeled so I know red stripe goes this way, and also the connection is hooded so you can only plug it in one way. Anyhow, it will be easier to connect this cable without the module attached. I've got to get it on those pins back there. And that's the other thing. The bus boards in this case are upside down. They apparently intended for the handle to be the bottom, but I wanted to be able to stand it up like this, and it doesn't stand up on the handle side, so everything's upside down. My 12-volt rail is at the top, so I have to make sure that I have it plugged in this way. I'm gonna have to move this. I can't reach in there. Should get in. This is the trickiest. Get the connector seated on the pins, reaching down into a hole, operating almost entirely by feel. Now let's take a look without my hand in the way and see. Yeah, it looks like it's on there. That's the other thing, they're not hooded connectors inside here, so you really have to triple check and make sure that you've done it right before you close it up. Okay, now this one goes back in, and I mean, it doesn't have to be super tight, you know, just a nice little finger torque to hold the modules in place. It's not like it's a load-bearing component or something. It just needs to be on there well enough that it doesn't move around. Now, I'll put this back and drop her into the, yes, you see there? A well-laid plan. My empty space was exactly the right size, because there are different, the different brands of rails use a slightly different shaft diameter or different threads or something, I don't know, but you'll have a 2-hole module will come with 4 screws, 2 of which will fit in your case and the other 2 won't. But with this particular case, almost always the screws that come with the module are too short to reach the threaded hole. Well, that is weird. That screw wouldn't go in this hole, but it goes in that one just fine. Okay. Well, I will put these back in the box, because it never hurts to have extras. Tighten these down a little. Get them snug. Oop. Okay. It's installed. That empty space is filled. And the next thing to do is to power it up and test it. And I should probably read that booklet. Anyway, there it is. Mutable plates. Finally arrived. I pre-ordered that thing back in March. And there was a lot of confusion, and the pre-order was oversold, so I had to wait until the second batch came out. But finally it's here. Can hardly wait to try it out.